The American bison. The giant of the plains that survived extinction across the endless grasslands of North America, where the horizon stretches farther than the eye can see, lives one of the most powerful and iconic animals on Earth, the American bison. A symbol of strength, survival, and freedom, the bison once dominated the Great Plains with millions of individuals roaming across the continent. Today, it stands as a reminder of nature's resilience and the importance of protecting the wildlife that shares our planet. As the sun rises over the vast prairies, an incredible scene begins to unfold. A massive herd of bison slowly moves through the golden grass, their heavy footsteps creating clouds of dust beneath their feet. From a distance, the herd looks like a moving river of brown stretching across the landscape. Among them stands a massive male bison, a true giant of the wilderness. His enormous body, powerful shoulders, thick fur, and curved horns make him look like a creature from another era. For thousands of years, these animals have been the kings of the American plains. The American bison is one of the largest land mammals in North America. A fully grown male can weigh more than 900 kilograms and stand nearly 2 meters tall at the shoulder. Its massive body is covered with thick fur that protects it from freezing temperatures, powerful winds, and harsh winter storms. One of the bison's most recognizable features is the large hump above its shoulders. This huge structure is made of powerful muscles that allow the animal to push through deep snow during winter, searching for grass beneath the frozen ground. Despite its enormous size, the bison is surprisingly fast and agile. It can reach speeds of over 50 kilometers per hour, jump over obstacles, and quickly change direction when threatened. Its combination of power and speed makes it one of the most impressive animals in the wild. Bison live in social groups called herds. These groups work together for protection and survival. Mothers carefully guard their young calves, while older members of the herd help maintain safety and order. During the spring season, baby bison are born with a bright reddish-orange coat. These young calves spend their first months learning from the herd, following their mothers, and adapting to the challenges of life on the open plains. However, the story of the American bison is not only a story of survival, it is also a story of loss. Hundreds of years ago, millions of bison traveled across North America. They were a vital part of the ecosystem and played an important role in the lives of indigenous peoples, who relied on them for food, clothing, tools, and cultural traditions. But during the 19th century, massive hunting and human expansion caused a devastating decline in their population. The endless herds that once covered the plains began to disappear. In just a few decades, millions of bison were reduced to only a few thousand. An animal that once seemed impossible to defeat was suddenly close to extinction. Fortunately, conservation efforts began to protect the remaining bison. Wildlife organizations, national parks, and dedicated researchers worked to save this legendary species from disappearing forever. Today, thousands of American bison live in protected areas across North America. Their numbers are slowly recovering, and once again, these magnificent animals are returning to parts of their historic homeland. The bison is not only important because of its size and strength. It also plays a critical role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. As bison move across the grasslands, they help spread seeds, improve soil quality, and create habitats for many other species, including birds, insects, and plants. Every step of a bison across the prairie tells a story of survival. Every movement represents thousands of years of adaptation, struggle, and strength. At sunset, when a giant bison stands alone against the golden horizon, it appears almost like a living monument to the wild. It has survived extreme weather, human pressure, and the threat of